Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Here's what's happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's a regal delight, the Three Kings cake enjoyed during the Feast of the Epiphany and for Mardi Gras. It's adorned with sparkly sugar, colored beads, a plastic baby toy, and a king's crown. To make the king cake, you'll prepare a slightly sweet yeast dough with flour, sugar, egg, and milk. The filling is a delicious combination of butter, raisins or chopped dates, nuts, cinnamon, and brown sugar. Mix well and set aside. Knead the dough into a ball and place it in a greased bowl, then cover and let rise until double. Once your dough is risen, punch it down and roll it out to a large rectangle. Now spread the filling over the dough, then gently roll up pinwheel style and shape it into a round, tucking in the seams and pinching to seal. Set the cake on a baking sheet and brush with an egg wash. Bake for 35 minutes at 350 degrees until it's a deep golden brown. And when the cake is baked, the fun begins. Somewhere in the cake you'll hide the plastic baby. Then make a glaze with powdered sugar and milk. Pour the glaze over the cake, letting it drip down the sides. And before it hardens, sprinkle the cake with rows of purple, green, and yellow decorative sugar. Now let's adorn it with colorful strands of beads and top with a king's crown. This cake is so fun and colorful on the outside and absolutely beautiful and delicious on the inside. Three Kings cake, one of our most colorful traditions. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.